Hello, this is Sean with AltheaSuite, and today I'm going to be going through making purchase orders using serial numbers. I'm under my purchase module, under purchase orders, and I'm going to go ahead and click into the new tab where I could go ahead and pick out my supplier. And the warehouse is where I'm going to have the inventory generate. So I'll have this go into my main warehouse. Next, I'm going to go ahead and pick out the items that I need. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and put in a SKU that I know I have the serial number attribute turned on. And I'm going to go ahead and adjust my quantity. If I scroll to the right, I'll be able to change any kind of settings I need. So if I want to change the unit price I have on this, add in lead days, or possibly a discount, I could do this right here. I could also see my margins and my markup percentage and confirm the expected delivery date. Let's go ahead and use this. I'm going to click into save. And this is going to give me a pending PO status. That means I'm going to be waiting for the inventory to arrive. When it finally does come, I could go ahead and click into the three dots, and I have two options. I could either create that purchase, which means I'm going to be making the purchase for the supplier as well as increasing my inventory, or I could just receive those goods and deal with the purchase later. So it's just a matter of making a two-step process a one-step process if I want to. I'm going to make this a two-step process, so I'm going to receive the goods first, and I'll make that purchase afterwards. So when I receive it, I can confirm that I actually do have that same quantity there. This will show up as partially completed if I short that quantity that's on the PO. Let's just go ahead and use that full amount. When I click create, this is now going to prompt me to put in serial numbers that I have for these items. In this case, I'm just going to generate some random serial numbers that we could use. I'll click into save. My PO status is now changed to all goods received. And that's also going to generate a new record in my purchase module where I can now actually do a financial transaction for that purchase order. Let's go ahead and do that now. I'll click into the context menu and click into complete purchase. And this is where I can confirm everything that I said before. I could change the unit price, the discount, anything that I see here. I could also specify any kind of additional expenses. So let's just say I want to add in freight cost. I have an option to apply that freight cost to my grand total. So I'll go ahead and do that. I can even apply that effective rate per unit to my purchase price. So that means it's going to split up that freight cost amongst all those units I have. And if I like, I could even have that reflect in my reports and my cost of goods. So this will increase my asset value with my freight cost. I'm going to choose to not do that for now. And I'll go ahead and click on to complete purchase. This is going to prompt me again just to make sure that I have the right serial numbers that I'm updating. I'll go ahead and click on save. And now if I go back into my purchase orders, I'm going to see that my PO status is complete. And I could even check my stock as well. And I can see that I've received 4 more quantity. So I have a total of 8 quantity here for that SKU. That's all. Thanks for watching.